Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2023. In this video, we are going to see a new option in edge braking, which helps SolidCAM to identify edges that are not sharp, which means edges that already have predefined chamfers or predefined radiuses will now be identified by SolidCAM for edge braking. Generally, it's predefined chamfers that will be identified for doing the edge braking toolpath. So let's edit the edge braking toolpath, and under the advanced function, now you have an option to recognize unsharp edges with a minimum edge angle as 15 degrees. Any edge or any two edges which have an included angle of 15 degrees or more will now be recognized as an unsharp edge, and that will be dealt with inside edge braking. So this is how the toolpath looks like. It takes into account all of the edges that are unsharp, which means it will create toolpath for edges that do not or that already have the chamfer. This is a new function that was introduced only in 2023 of SolidCAM. So if your part already has got chamfers on the edges, these chamfers will be identified by SolidCAM, and the edge braking toolpath will then create a toolpath around these chamfers. Thank you for watching.